The Caribbean is a vibrant tapestry of cultures where street food plays a central role. In Jamaica, the tantalizing aroma of jerk chicken wafts through the air, marinated in a spicy blend of herbs and served with crispy festival fritters. Meanwhile, Trinidad's doubles, a delightful sandwich made of curried chickpeas between two flatbreads, represent the island's rich Indian influence. Over in Barbados, the famous flying fish is seasoned and fried to perfection, often accompanied by a zesty cuckoo. Caribbean street food encapsulates the essence of community, with vendors sharing stories and smiles, making every bite a flavorful adventure.